Maulana Bhashani, an extraordinary leader, was born on December 12, 1880, in a village in Bengal. He dedicated his life to helping the poor and became known as Muslim Janata, meaning leader of the oppressed. He worked tirelessly for farmers and founded the East Pakistan President Association, where farmers united to demand their rights. He often said, "Together, we can create a better life," which earned him the nickname the Red Maulana. In 1971, he played a vital role in the struggle for Bangladesh's independence. Today, we remember him as the champion of the poor who fought for a brighter future for everyone. Thank you very much to listen to this audio. I hope this audio is going to help you to improve your listening.